Hi everyone, this is Sophie with My Minerals, and I'm going to be showing you this eyeshadow look today. I'm going to be starting off with eyebrows. I'm using the medium eyebrow wax. I'm just giving more definition and defining my eyebrows. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to be using My Minerals eyeshadow primer, and I'm blending that all over my lid. Now that I'm done with the primer, I'm going to be starting with the eyeshadow shade After Twilight. I'm going to be blending that into my crease and my outer edge. Now I'm going to be adding the shade Saffron onto my middle lid, blending that into my inner corner. Also taking Saffron to the outer edge. Now I'm just intensifying Saffron just for that extra pop. I'm just adding some more After Twilight to my outer edge to intensify the line. Now I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow shade Under the Sea and putting that into my inner corner and blending that in. I'm just going to be blending some more. I'm going to be taking Angel Kiss and adding that into my inner corner and brow bone with the highlight. Now I'm taking the shade Chamaeleon Fire to my bottom lash line. I'm also dragging down After Twilight onto my bottom lash line. Now I'm taking My Minerals black eyeliner and giving myself a wing. Now I'm just going to take our eyeshadow primer and I'm going to touch up that line. Now because I had to touch that line up, I'm just going to be re-adding the After Twilight to the bottom lash line. Off camera, I applied fake eyelashes and I'm just dusting off our setting powder called Belle. And this is the finished look. Thank you for watching.